when we're alone, I never get very far. She just wants to ride in my muscle car. It's a red GTA with 2 white stripes. Carbon monoxide coming out of its pipes. To her it's the taste of fine caviar. She just wants to ride in my muscle car. Rev it up! When I rev up the engine, she crosses her legs, and the glazed expression comes over her face. Feels the vibration, moans, oh my God.